Dear students, you asked me about political science. I will tell you in a clear way what political science is. Political science actually derived from Greek word 2500 years ago from polis, which means city-state. And today we are accepting this definition and this name of Greek. We accept this, that political science is about state. Political science deals with state and its large activities. This is a clear answer of meaning of political science. It doesn't deal with other areas, it deals with state. And when anybody asks you a question, what is political science? In a clear way, you give him the answer that political science means deals with state and state activities. So far as my definition, Dr. M.A. Malik's definition of political science is concerned, I quote, political science deals with state activities, and state consists of four elements. Number one, territory. Number two, population. Number three, government. And number four, sovereignty. Political science covers state and related activities. What are the related activities of these four elements of state? It is the area and it is the scope of political science which deals. And political science deals this area of state. Now, what has been accepted by political scientists? What is its scope, subject matter, or it is boundary, covering boundary which political science covers? UNESCO conference in Paris in 1948 declared four areas of scope of political science. Number one, political theory, which includes different ideologies and ideas and different issues. Ideologies of the world, you have socialist ideologies, you have religious ideologies, you have capitalist democratic ideologies, you have different ideologies in the world. Political science deals with ideas and ideologies, and political science deals with issues. And key issues in political science are liberty, equality, fraternity, justice. These are the key areas, citizenship, these are the key areas and key issues of political science. And political science deals with this first area, that is theory, and theory includes ideologies and issues. Second is political institutions. Political institutions covers constitutions, national, regional, local governments, public administration, and role of government. This covers under the heading of political institutions. Political science deals with this. This is second. And third is political science deals with political parties. And under this, you have importance of political parties, growth of public opinion, and role of pressure groups. Political science deals with this third element. And fourth element is political science deals with international relations. And in international relations, you have relation between and among the states, independent states of the world, international organizations, role of international organizations, and role of international law. These are the four important headings which you must understand that political science, this comes under the area of political science, under the study area of political science, that in other words we call it scope of political science. First, political theory, second, political institutions, third, political parties, and fourth, international relations. And you must remember it, for these are the foundations of political sciences, scope of political science. Once you understand this, and later areas which come under political science, comparative politics and other periphery areas, these are subordinate areas. But these four headings are important areas which political science covers. So, I think in review of this, I would like to repeat that political science deals with state, and my definition about political science is that political science deals with state activities, and state consists of four elements: territory, population, government, and sovereignty. You remember it forever. Anybody asks you a question, give him answer. And so far as the scope of political science is concerned, UNESCO accepted, this was a conference held in Paris under the auspices of UNESCO in 1940. They accepted four areas of scope of political science, that is political theory, political institutions, political parties, and international relations. So I think in this lecture, this is sufficient for today. In next lecture, I will explain other areas of political science. Thank you.